In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Airbnb app on Android. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long vacation, getting the official Airbnb app on your phone makes it easy to find places to stay and manage your trips on the go. Let's walk through the process together so you can be up and running in just a few moments. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android phone. This is the app marketplace that comes pre-installed on most devices. You'll usually find it on your home screen or in your app drawer, and its icon looks like a colorful triangle. If you have many apps, a quick search in your app list can help you locate it faster. Once the Play Store is open, tap the search bar at the top of the screen. This is where you'll type the name of the app you're looking for. Go ahead and type Airbnb. You should see search suggestions appear almost immediately. From the results, select the listing that says Airbnb by Airbnb Inc. Choosing the official listing is important to make sure you're getting the real app from the verified developer. You'll typically see a high number of downloads and reviews, which is another helpful sign you're in the right place. Next, tap Install. The app will begin downloading to your device. Depending on your internet speed, this could take a few seconds or a couple of minutes. Using a reliable Wi-Fi connection can make downloads faster and help you avoid using mobile data. You'll see a progress indicator showing you how far along the download and installation are. When the installation finishes, the button will change to Open. Tap Open to launch the Airbnb app right away. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and opened Airbnb on your Android device. Now, a quick overview of what you can do with the app. Airbnb helps you book homes, apartments, and vacation rentals, from cozy studios to spacious houses. You can browse stays in more than 200 countries, filter by dates, price, and amenities, and save your favorites for later. The app also makes it easy to message hosts directly, ask questions about a property, and manage your bookings from one place. Beyond places to stay, you can discover experiences and activities in different cities, things like guided tours, cooking classes, and unique local adventures that can make your trip unforgettable. And that's the whole process. Open the Play Store, search for Airbnb, select the official app by Airbnb, Inc. Tap Install, wait for it to finish, and tap Open. You're ready to explore and start planning your next trip.